Torej, lep pozdrav iz Lemonta in so greetings from Lemont. Here is on our notice board. We just celebrated 25 years anniversary last year. Lansko leto smo praznovali 25. obletnico in tukaj so vsi naši mladi otroci, ki so ob tej priložnosti posodili svojo roko, zato da smo gor napisali, kako so pač oni naša prihodnost. Tukaj so še vsa imena, takole. In potem, če gremo pa tukaj zdaj ven skozi vrata, pa je bilo tukaj presenečenje, danes zjutraj že in še zdaj je zvečer. So, surprise, surprise. I received a big surprise when I came out this morning and during the day. It was my birthday today and children and parents, families gave me a big surprise. So thank you very much, hvala lepa in happy birthday to all of you as well, whenever it is. And hopefully we'll celebrate many more. Birthdays are good for you. The more you have, the longer you live. So here is our beautiful Lemont. Hopefully to see you soon. And for now, I'll just give you a nice view. Okay, and there is the center and our bell tower and monastery. Okay, Marija pomagaj, St. Mary's. Marija pomagaj, prosi za nas. Ok, lep pozdrav iz Lemonta, bye bye.